Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this soft glam look, so stay tuned to see how I got this look. So I'm so excited to show you guys this look. So first we're going to start off with our liquid foundation. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my contour pen, which you can also get off of my website at hottybeauty.com, and I'm just going to dot it across the dark spots of my face. Take my beauty blender and I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to use it and dot it lightly across, just filling it in, blending it in, trying to make it as natural as possible. And I am just going to take a lighter shade foundation than my regular color, and I'm just applying it under my eyes in triangular motion, and as well as my forehead and around my mouth and my chin. Next, all I'm doing is I'm just blending in the contour in the areas where I applied my lighter shade foundation. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to take some darker color foundation powder and I'm just going to take my finger and lightly go across my cheekbone, trying to pronounce my facial structures more prominently. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply the darker foundation powder to my forehead, and then I'm going to also apply it to the outer corners of my nose just to shape my nose a little better, and then I'm just going to fill it in as much as possible just to try to add a contour. Now I'm just going to set my contour with some powder, some finishing powder, just to make sure that my face can look as soft as possible. Now I'm taking my gold bronze highlighter and I'm just taking my soft bristle brush, which you can also get off of my website, and I'm just applying it and brushing it lightly to my cheekbones, across my forehead, under my nose, and as well as my chin. Now I'm just going to apply some eye primer so that we can get ready to add some eyeshadow. Next, I'm taking a neutral brown bronzer color and I'm just highlighting underneath my brow and adding a little bit above my brow to add that intriguing effect. I'm just going to take this eyebrow pen and I am just going to go and line underneath my brow, as well as going upwards motion just to create a natural eyebrow effect, but staying true to my natural eyebrow shape. Now I'm applying a beige colored shimmer eyeshadow to the base of my eyes. Next, I'm taking the dark brown powder foundation that we used before and I am just going in the crease of my eyes. Now I'm just going to go to the outer corners of my nose again just to contour it a little bit more.
Rare beads.
Now I'm just going to take the gold color and I'm just going to apply it to my teardrops. Next, we're going to choose the neutral brown and we're just going to go underneath our eyes. Next, all we're going to do is apply our eyeliner and we're going to stay as close to our eyeline as possible and not wing it out too dramatic, but just a little bit. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara to my upper and lower lashes. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply some lip liner and it's in neutral brown, and then I'm just going to apply our nude pink lip matte long lasting lip gloss. Now I'm going to be showing you guys our Queen Lash Me collection lashes, and these are in 25mm and they're 3D, and I love how wispy and fluffy they look, and I love that they give off a natural appearance. I applied the glue on my lashes off camera, but I just wanted to show you guys that first it helps when you blow on them a little bit before you apply them so that it can be more sticky. So what I do to make sure that my lashes can blend in with my normal lashes is I just make sure that I put them to my lash line as close as possible, and I try to make sure that when I am applying it that I am following my natural eye shape.
Hey guys, thank you for tuning in for yet another video, and if you like this one, stay tuned for more, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for more videos. I'm going to be having more of these videos once a week, so if you want to keep up also hotties, subscribe to our newsletter and the Hottie Beauty Forum at hottiebeauty.com. Thank you again for watching.